Did you know there's a secret beach in the world-famous Phi Phi Island? Well, actually, there are more than 20 hidden treasures just waiting to be discovered, and you won't believe what we found when we got there. These stunning places are off the beaten path and away from the crowds of Maya Bay, which has been featured in the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. We rented a scooter and went exploring on our own, but make sure you go with someone who knows their way around because some of these roads are crazy. In this video, we will show you the most amazing hidden gems on Phi Phi. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore. You can also find the timestamps below so you can jump to the parts that interest you the most. But we do recommend watching the whole video because it gets even better towards the end. If you are new here, welcome to our channel where we take you on road trips around the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to be notified when we upload a new video. Now let's dive right in. Monkey Beach. Our first stop was Monkey Beach. It's home to a troop of adorable monkeys and has crystal clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Make sure to bring some bananas to feed them. They love that. Just kidding. Actually, feeding the monkeys is prohibited. We just saw many tourists throwing stuff at them and they were all over the place. This beach is considered one of the best beaches in Thailand. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists alike. The next spot is Tonsai Beach. This beach is located on the south side of the island, and it's known for its calm waters and stunning views. It's a great spot to watch the sunset or just relax and enjoy the surroundings. We arrived there in the afternoon, and there were only a few people on the beach. We spent some time walking along the shore, collecting seashells and taking in the beautiful scenery. Even though it was cloudy, the beach still looked absolutely stunning. Next up is Little Lagoon. It's a picturesque lagoon surrounded by limestone cliffs, and it's a great spot for kayaking or stand-up paddleboarding. We arrived at the lagoon and were immediately struck by its beauty. The water was so clear, and the cliffs surrounding the lagoon added a touch of drama to the landscape. There were also several families of monkeys living in the trees around the lagoon, which made for some interesting sightings. We spent a couple of hours kayaking around the lagoon and exploring the hidden coves and caves. The water was warm, and the current was strong, making for a refreshing paddle. We also saw some beautiful rock formations and caves that we would have missed if we had just stuck to the main beach. But now it's time to head to Bamboo Island. It's a small island just off the coast of Phi Phi Don, and it's known for its white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. To get there, we took a 15-minute long-tail boat ride from the pier near Tonsai Beach. The boat ride was bumpy, but the journey was worth it once we saw the stunning beaches of Bamboo Island. We spent a couple of hours swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the island's hiking trails. The water was clear and shallow, making it perfect for snorkeling. We saw colorful fish and coral reefs, and even a sea turtle. The island itself was quiet and peaceful, far from the hustle and bustle of Maya Bay. We felt like we had discovered a hidden gem. Now let's go to another hidden gem called Pile Cove. It's a small, secluded bay located on the west coast of the island. To get there, we had to hike down a steep hill and climb over some rocks, but the view was absolutely worth it. The bay was calm and clear, and we could see colorful fish swimming around us. It felt like we had our own private beach. We spent some time swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing on the beach. The water was cool and refreshing, and the scenery was absolutely breathtaking. Our next stop was the famous Viking Cave. It's a large cave on the island's west coast that's covered with mysterious Viking-like symbols. Legend has it that Vikings once visited the island and left their mark on the cave walls. We hiked up to the cave and marveled at the strange markings inside. The cave was dark and dank, but the history behind the symbols was fascinating. It's unclear whether the Vikings really visited the island, but the cave is definitely worth a visit for its mysterious atmosphere. Now let's talk about the secret beach we promised you. It's a small cove located on the north side of the island that's only accessible by boat or by swimming from a nearby beach. We took a long-tail boat to get there, and the journey was exciting as we had to navigate through a narrow opening in the rocks. The beach itself was tiny and secluded, but it was absolutely stunning. The water was crystal clear, and we could see colorful fish swimming around us. We spent some time swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking on the beach. The feeling of being in our own private paradise was truly amazing. And speaking of beaches, let's talk about the unique wooden hut beach. It's a small stretch of coastline with a wooden hut that's become an iconic landmark. The hut itself is old and weathered, but it adds a touch of charm to the beach. We stopped by the hut and took some photos and then headed down to the beach. The water was clear and we could see colorful fish swimming around us. We spent some time swimming and snorkeling and then relaxed on the beach. The wooden hut beach is a great spot to take in the beauty of Phi Phi Island. Phi Phi Viewpoint is our next destination. It's a viewpoint located on top of a hill on the island's east coast that offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. To get there, we had to climb up a steep hill, but the view from the top was absolutely worth it. We could see the turquoise waters of the Andaman Sea, the lush green mountains of the island, and the white sand beaches below. It was a perfect spot to take in the beauty of Phi Phi Island. Let's move on to the quirky Monkey's Gesicht. It's a restaurant and viewpoint located on the south side of the island that offers stunning views of the surrounding area. The restaurant itself is quirky and fun with monkey decorations everywhere, but the real attraction is the viewpoint at the back of the restaurant. We climbed up the hill and were rewarded with breathtaking views of the island and the sea. It was the perfect spot to watch the sunset. Time for a little adventure. We went on a jungle trekking tour. We explored the island's interior and saw stunning waterfalls, caves, and rock formations. Our guide was knowledgeable and friendly, and he taught us about the local plants and wildlife. We got to swim in a natural pool and slide down a waterfall, which was a refreshing and fun experience. Jungle trekking is a must-do activity on Phi Phi Island. It's a small village located on the east coast of the island, and it's home to a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars. We strolled through the village, checking out the local businesses and soaking up the lively atmosphere. We stopped by a restaurant for some fresh fruit and then headed to the beach. The village is known for its stunning beaches, and we were not disappointed. We spent some time swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing on the beach. Let's visit the mesmerizing Big Buddha. It's a large Buddhist temple located on top of a hill on the south side of the island. The temple itself is beautiful and serene, but the real attraction is the stunning view from the top of the hill. Last but not least, we stopped by the unique Rock Pool Bar. It's a bar located on a rock formation in the middle of the sea, and it's only accessible by boat. We took a long-tail boat to get there and then enjoyed a refreshing drink while taking in the stunning views. The bar itself is small and simple, but the location is truly amazing. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind. Phi Phi Island is a true hidden gem, and we hope you enjoyed exploring it with us. From its stunning beaches to its quirky viewpoints and delicious food, there's something for everyone on this island. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.